Silky Beat.
The IQOO Neo 8 is a new smartphone series that will soon be launched by Chinese manufacturer. It will replace the IQOO Neo 7 series that was released last year in China. The recent report have provided information about the display, camera, performance and design of the upcoming smartphone. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Chinese smartphone manufacturing IQOO is reportedly launching a new flagship smartphone series called IQOO Neo 8. It will replace last year's IQOO Neo 7 series and will include two models, the IQOO Neo 8 and the higher-end IQOO Neo 8 Pro. Recent rumors suggested that the new lineup will have improved features such as better display, camera and the performance units. The design of the smartphone is also expected to be updated. A recent post by the tipster digital chat station on Weibo suggested that the upcoming IQOO Neo 8 series of the smartphone could have the display with 1.5K resolution and support high-frequency PWM dimming. The lineup is expected to include the vanilla IQOO Neo 8 and the IQOO Neo 8 Pro. Another report by the My Smart Price suggested that the new series could have the similar display size to the IQOO Neo 7 series, which means that the smartphone might have a 6.78-inch AMOLED display. According to the tipster, the IQOO Neo 8 Pro may have a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, while the vanilla IQOO Neo 8 could have a new MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus SoC, which hasn't been officially announced yet. The current generation flagship MediaTek Dimensity 9200 SoC was launched by the MediaTek in November 2022. The Weibo post suggested that the IQOO Neo 8 series will support the 120-watt fast charging, just like its predecessor, the IQOO Neo 7 series. The tipster also expects the new series to have a 50-megapixel primary camera on the back and up to 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. It is rumored that the IQOO Neo 8 series will be launched in China in May 2023. Last year's IQOO Neo 7 series included 4 models, but only one of them has been launched in European countries. So far as a rebranded version of IQOO Neo 7 SE available in China. It is unclear whether the IQOO will release more version of the IQOO Neo 8 series in Europe. It's worth noting that the IQOO has not yet made any official announcement or confirmation about the specifications, launch date or pricing of the IQOO Neo 8 series. All the information we have so far is based on the rumors and the leaks. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Last, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.